catfish type of night with salad. Some good old homemade Caesar salad. That is what me and my family is having tonight. Love me some catfish. I also love to cut my fillets up in strips. So I make catfish strips when they're pretty big like this. I like to cut them in strips. That's how me and my family likes to eat them. Sometimes I do whole when they're small like catfish, but when they're big like that, we do strips. Of course, you got to have the Zatarain's fish fry, crispy southerns. Yeah, it's the best fish fry. You don't need no seasoning in here. It's already seasoned. If you do, it's gonna be super salty, so do not do that. Okay. Sometimes I like to add a little cornmeal mixed with mine, but not tonight. We're just gonna do it this way. But yeah, this is my favorite fish fry. It comes with the croutons and dressing, but they don't put enough in here. And as you can see, they didn't. It doesn't come with the shaved Parmesan. We love a good Caesar salad with the shaved Parmesan. Okay, so that's why we bought extra Parmesan cheese and dressing, because it just don't be enough. Good old Caesar salad. Y'all see it? Yeah, my fish ain't golden brown like this. Baby, I don't want it. I don't want no dark fish. And it's cooked just right. Okay, it ain't soft. It's hard because it's got that crunch on there. You see it? Look at that. This is a little tail. Take me a little bite. Look out. Alright, y'all see that smoke? Yeah. Get into it.